Hey, everybody. I hope that you're keeping safe wherever you may be in the world. And I have a really exciting announcement to make this morning. JUCE are going to be the newest sponsors of the audio program or virtual monthly meetup that we're having every second Tuesday of the month. And this is a really exciting breakthrough for me at the Audio Programmer because JUCE were a very large part of my motivation for starting the channel 3 years ago when I was a student at university, just typing my first lines of code. And at the time, there were hardly any audio programming tutorials online. And I think one of the best ways to learn a new skill is to try to teach it to somebody else. And in the spirit of that, I was filming my first JUCE tutorials, hardly knowing anything about audio programming or about the framework. And it's interesting, but that decision sparked a journey that's brought me all over the world and introduced me to some of the most brilliant people in audio. And the Audio Programmer has grown into one of the largest communities online for audio development. And it's great that JUCE are coming back 3 years later and officially offering their support. So a big thank you to the team at JUCE, Tom, Ed, and Ruben, and also a big shout out to Pace, Andrew, and Derek, and the rest of the team for their support. We've already had several conversations on how we're going to enhance the learning experience for audio programming, and I'm really excited for the future. So join us every second Tuesday of the month for the Audio Programmer Virtual Meetup, and I will see you soon.